Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your LinkedIn username using the LinkedIn mobile app in 2024. So let's jump right in. First of all, open the LinkedIn app from your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. If not, enter your email and password to log in. And once you have opened the LinkedIn app, click on your profile picture, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, click on your username to enter your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three dots option which is at the side of Add section, and from there click on the option saying Share Profile Via. The name after the linkedin.com/im/ is your actual username, and if you want to customize your username, first of all you have to go back and tap on your profile picture again and open the setting option which is at the bottom of the screen. From there, click the option saying Visibility and simply tap on the option saying Edit Your Profile. If you want to customize your username, here you can edit it by the help of Personalize the URL for your profile option, and that's it. Finding your LinkedIn username is super simple, and now you know how to customize it too. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.